Hello, welcome back to my channel. Today's video, I'm so excited because I will be opening the Glamlite Foodie Box. I've never ordered a Glamlite Foodie Box before, so I'm so excited to see what I get in here. And while I'm currently filming this box is still available and it is on sale for $59, and you can stack discount codes on top of that. Here's what I'm looking at. I'm so excited. Okay, this is a big box. The first thing I am pulling out of here is the Hershey's Milk Chocolate Lip Kit. Here is mine. I will be saving this for a giveaway. The next thing I am pulling out of the Glamlite Foodie Box are the Glamlite Fry Lashes, and this is what the fry lashes look like. They're super cute. I can definitely see myself wearing these. The next item I am pulling out of here is the Cookies and Cream highlighter. Here is my Cookies and Cream highlighter, and I will be saving this for a giveaway. The next thing I am pulling out of here is the Hershey's Cookies and Cream 12 color palette, and this is what the palette looks like. The next thing I'm pulling out of here are the strawberry lashes. Can't really see them in there. Here are the strawberry lashes. They're super cute. The next thing I'm grabbing out of the box is the Glamlite Frosted Flakes lip liner, and I do not have this, so super exciting. And it is a very nice kind of nudie pink liner. It's this one, sorry. And then I got a pack of makeup removing wipes, which I will use for swatches rarely. The next thing I'm pulling out of here is the Glamlite Pie palette. I do not have this. Super exciting. Oh, this is so cute. It's like soft. And then you open it up. Here is the Pie palette, and you get a beautiful blush in the center. This is so pretty. These tones are so cute. Like, I don't know. This gives me Valentine's Day vibes. That's what I'm getting from this. But it's super cute, I guess, for Thanksgiving as well. It's a very nice, cute, festive palette. The next item I am pulling out are the Michaela Patu High Fashion Lashes. I think these are the more dramatic pair that came out from her collection. And the last item is the Glamlite Frosted Flakes eyeshadow palette, and I do have this one. I got mine from TJ Maxx, and this is what it looks like. One of my shades is a little broken, but it's okay. This is the palette. I love this color story. I think this is such a cute collection, and I'm glad to have the lip liner from this collection now. And that is it for the Glamlite Foodie Box. I am so excited. In this box we got 3 eyelashes, 1 lip kit, 1 lip liner, 1 highlighter, 3 palettes, and a pack of makeup wipes, all for $59. I think that's a fantastic deal, and I'm excited to give away some of these items to you guys for my holiday giveaway, which I do have to start setting up, and I'm so excited. The holidays make me happy. I didn't think I'd have so many items from the Foodie Box. I thought it'd be more of the original Glamlite items, but I'm glad it's like a mix, because people who bought this are probably going to be really happy with it. So I'm tired of the blue though, because the blue washes me out. Can we pick a different color? I am so sorry this video is on the shorter side, but thank you guys so much for watching and for hanging out with me. Did you pick this box up? Do you think it was a good bargain? Please let me know in the comment section down below. I would love to hear from you. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Bye. This is a big box. Foodie box today, and I'm so excited because I'm so excited. I've never ordered a Glamlite Foodie Box before, so I'm excited to see. Jesus Christ. Is the next thing I'm putting. Fuck. I messed up my lips.